Hey guys, it is like, I think it's like 2 a.m. And I woke up because I could not sleep. I'm having one of those, I guess, confessionals. And I just want to tell you about my day, right? I was coming home from work and I saw this kid arguing with his grandmother. Like, I don't know exactly like what happened, but he was like, "Grandma, you don't listen to me. Like you don't really care. You're just old." And just out of the blue, y'all, I just walked up to the kid and like, I don't even know the guy. Never knew. He couldn't have been no more than like 15. And I grabbed his arm like, "You don't talk to your grandmama like that. You're a damn fool." Didn't even know the kid, y'all. Didn't even know him. And he looked at me like, "Who the hell this man is?" And I literally broke down into tears in front of like this lady and this kid. Again, I've never known these people. It just triggered me so deeply. And he looked at me like, "Sir, I don't know you, but it seemed like you're taking out your issue on me." I was like, "Well, listen, I lost both of my grandparents this year." And I said, I have struggled day in and day out in regard to them not being here. And so I came home and I laid in my bed and I was like, damn, this is like really affecting me, right? It's like really affecting me. And my cousin them calling me and was like, "Why you sound so depressed?" And I lied. I had to get him off that phone quick. I was like, "I ain't depressed." And I knew I knew he knew something was wrong, but I was in my like chipperest self. But it had just kind of like hit me of like, I don't got my grandparents. And I'm like, it sucks. I'm like, it really sucks that I don't have either one of them and I lost both of them in the same year. And it's like, to see that kid arguing with his grandmother about something so minute, it's like, I just wish I had one more or more time with the both of them. And I just realized like, and I remember telling the kid, I was like, "Listen, time is so valuable." I was like, I lost both my grandparents this year. And I said, I have emotionally struggled because I realized that like when people around me pass away, right, I can numb you out and I can just write you off as like you never existed. I did it with my dad's mom. I did it with one of my aunts that passed away. I just mentally just wrote you off like you don't even exist, right? But this time, I couldn't do that because I realized I had so much of connection with them that it just was different. And as much as I mentally want to like erase them from my memory, I cannot seem to do that. So for the first time in my life, I understand the feeling of grief. Like, I understand what it is to grieve day in and day out. Maybe not every day. And then people say, "Well, over time, like, it's better." I'm like, right now, it sucks. It sucks. And maybe in a week's time, I'll probably think about my grandparents maybe twice a week. And sometimes I go to God, I'm like, "Hey, listen, like, this is just way too much for me mentally. I'm in a pandemic, lost 2 grandparents, having a little bit of health issues, and like, I need some relief," right? Because the moment when I go to God about things, it's not this like, this prayer that you see all these people do. It's like, I'm getting directly to the point of like, because that's how people ask me all the time, like, "Paul, you don't really talk about God as much." But I do in my own personal way. Like, I have my own personal relationship. I mean, and again, it's all in how you define your spirituality. But I remember praying today and I was like, "Listen, God, I need some relief," right? Like Paul in the Bible who had a thorn in his flesh. Like, I need one of these thorns to be removed from my flesh, right? I need a mental break. And I know, we say all the time, in the Bible says, he wouldn't pour more on you that you can bear. But to me, it's like, this is enough. I need a break. I need a break, And you try to understand, why you're going through the phases of life. Like, why? Like, what is it to learn out of losing two grandparents? And I don't have the answer to that. I don't have a general understanding of why I'm experiencing the emotion that I'm experiencing right now, even 2 something in the morning, But I truly do miss them a lot. I miss them a lot. I really do. I miss them a lot. I miss them around. I miss just conversations with my grandmother, conversations with my grandfather. I genuinely miss them a lot. And I remember the last time I went home, I went to go visit a grave, and I cleaned the graves off, and I just sat there and I just literally cried for like at least 2 hours straight. 2 hours. And it was like, I was like, this can't be real. It's like, when am I going to wake up? I don't know why I have this mentality of like, this is all just a bad goddamn dream, and I'm going to wake the hell up. But obviously, I ain't waking up. Like, this is my reality, right? So I just wanted to like, just vlog like what I experienced. So to my cousin Taylor, I'm sorry for lying to you, but I just want to talk about it. I just wasn't in it because I knew if I started talking about it, I would probably boil down and cry and just be out of crazy or whatever. But to all of you who have your grandparents, love on them, hug them, squeeze them, take care of them, kiss on them if you can. Kiss on them if you can. Kiss on them as much as you can. Love them. If they have recipes, save them. Take as many pictures as you can and keep them. Because one day you're going to be like me and you're going to wish like you spend more time with them and you learn and you gain so much knowledge and wisdom from them, and you wish you would have like kept some of their famous like recipes, and you would just wish that you had more time. Yeah. More time. That I do wish I had more time. So, yeah. All right, guys. That's enough. I'm out. Peace.